Alright, so DSE 2006, consider a function f r to r where r denotes the set of real numbers. If f is strictly increasing and differentiable, then the derivative of f. Uh, so the answer is greater than or equal to 0 at every x belonging to r. Okay, so
सर स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग तो सिर्फ ग्रेटर देन जीरो नहीं होता स्ट्रिक्टली
no,
इंक्रीजिंग जब हम बोलते हैं
yeah, so the thing is, consider the function f of x equals to x cube. Okay, so this function looks like this. Okay, now this point, it has at 0 at origin, you have f prime equals to 0. Okay, so you have the derivative equal to 0, but still in this situation you will not have the function is not stationary. Okay, at this point it is still increasing. So the reason it is increasing is because if you take any point to the right, it will be strictly positive. Okay, it's not attaining a stagnancy here. Uh, so the idea is, let's go back to our
सर
definition
जीरो
of,
के अराउंड स्लोप जीरो है ना
but it is not constant. The function is not constant. Acha, the function is not constant. The function strictly increasing. Why is it strictly increasing? It is strictly increasing का definition क्या है? X greater than y implies f of x is greater than f of y. I guess I have some notification. Garima, admit. Okay. So the definition is that if x is greater than y, f of x should be greater than f of y. So consider 0 and take any point to its right. Okay, for any point to the right of 0, if this is your function x cube, for any point to the right of 0, the functional value must be strictly greater than 0. Okay, so this is 0, this is any point h. So this becomes f of h. Okay, now if h is greater than 0, this will imply f of h will be greater than 0. Okay, so the condition of strictly increasing is satisfied for all points to the right. Also, to the points to the left would be, let's take any point here minus k. Okay, so if minus k, let me call this just k. K is some negative number. K is, let's say, minus 3. Okay, so minus 0.3. So if k is less than 0, this would imply that f of k is also less than 0. So this means that the function is strictly increasing to the right of 0, and this means that the function is strictly increasing to the left of 0. So it is actually strictly increasing on all points. Okay, so strictly increasing का मतलब क्या है? It's not constant anywhere. It's not constant anywhere. It's not decreasing anywhere. And this function is not constant. Even though f prime is becoming 0, it's not a constant. Even a function like this, it's not constant here. We call it stationary because f prime is 0, but it's not constant. Okay, because if you move to right, the values are decreasing. If you move to left, the values are decreasing. A constant function looks like this. Okay, a constant function will look like this. It has to be horizontal for at least some interval. A constant function will look like this, then for some time it is straight line and then it starts falling. Or like this, then for some time it is straight line and then it starts increasing. This would be a constant function. This would be a non-strictly increasing function because it is constant over some interval I. Being constant at just a point does not make the entire function constant. It will still be strictly increasing.